In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your phone number in WhatsApp. So this is really great if you want to keep your WhatsApp phone number private. If you get added to a group chat, for example, and you don't want other people to be able to see your number, this is a great way to do that. So before I get into the video, I want to say, please make sure that you watch the whole video to the end to ensure that you get all the steps correct and you don't mess anything up. So let's get started. What we want to do is we want to go into WhatsApp and we want to go to the little settings tab on the right. As you can see, the very right is the settings tab. From there, we want to go to privacy. Now, once we get into the privacy section, there's a lot of different things on here that you can edit, and I'm going to show you the one that you need to edit. So the one that you need to edit is the one that says about. So you want to click on this and you want to change the option to nobody. That means that nobody will be able to see your phone number unless they're a contact or unless they've got your phone number already. So that basically means if you get added to a random group chat, the people in there will not be able to see your phone number. So set it to nobody and that should hide it. Now, you can go into these settings as well and change other things. So profile photo, meaning that no one else can see your profile photo. Groups means who can add you to a group. So if everyone, that means anyone can add you to a group. Who can see your status, all that kind of stuff. Who can see your live location. You can edit all of those if you want more privacy. So I'd recommend having a little look in these settings, but the one you need for the private number is the about one, and that's basically how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that it helped. Plus, please